Times Now exclusive where their mindset has been exposed threadbare. Hindu Mahasabha General Secretary is not content with issuing ridiculous diktats for women. He now wants to move the Supreme Court to declare item girls as prostitutes. This conversation recorded off camera.
डिमांड ये है कि अंग प्रदर्शन करने वाले जो कलाकार है ये कलाकार तुम कह नहीं सकते, सीधी बात है। जो आइटम गर्ल्स कर रही हैं, अपना अंग प्रदर्शन कर रही हैं, जो बहुत तरीके से समाज के अंदर गंदगी फैला रही हैं, उनको वैश्या की संज्ञा दी जानी चाहिए।
ये कब आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट में? ये
मेरी भी वकील से बात हुई है, विष्णु जैन है वकील, गाजियाबाद में रहते हैं और बहुत जल्दी हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाने वाले हैं।
तो इस पे आप एक बाइट दे देंगे क्या? अगर आपको
मैं अभी इस पे बाइट इसलिए देना चाहूंगा क्योंकि इस बारे में भी हमारी बातें चल रही है, अपने राष्ट्रीय मेरी बात चल रही है। वो कह रहे नवीन जी इसको आप देखिए, कभी तो कोर्ट में आने के उनको पहले वैश्य का दर्जा दिया जाए। उनको
भाई दर्जा मिलने के बाद में उनके लिए फिर क्या करेंगे? उनका
देखो विरोध तो हमारा
इलाकों से निकलवाया जाएगा।
देखो विरोध तो हमारा सदा से है। विरोध तो एक बात नहीं, जब दर्जा अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मान ले, अगर मान लो इस बात को, क्योंकि वकील छोटे मोटे वकील तो है नहीं हमारे साथ। हम लोगों ने पूरी इस पे हमारी चर्चा चलती है हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन, और मैं गाजियाबाद जा भी रहा हूँ 2 दिन के अंदर, वहाँ भी हमारी चर्चा होनी है।
तो वैश्य का दर्जा मिलने समाज से बाइकाट करेंगे?
समाज से बाइकाट ही होगा इनका हर हालत में।
That was Naveen Tyagi, and there you go. Need we say more? What he said, it's an off-the-camera conversation, but we had to put it out because this exposes their mindset. Aditi Anant Narayanan joining us on this story. Aditi, so they clearly don't realize what they talk about, and this mindset is absolutely bizarre. It's no reason that's why we are terming them on our hashtag as moral monsters.
Absolutely. In fact, Anand, we went there to speak to Naveen Tyagi over the issue of the diktat which had been issued by the Jind unit of Hindu Mahasabha. Not only did he support that, but in an off-record conversation that he was having with us, he clearly went out on a different tangent where he kept on saying about how the Hindu Mahasabha has been fighting for the rights of women. In fact, they are working towards safety and security of women, and that's how he came up with this conversation where he said that the Hindu Mahasabha of the UP unit will be moving the Supreme Court in the month of January, where they will be asking the Supreme Court to term all item girls and all the heroines who come on air with skimpy clothes. They are going to tell them to be named as prostitutes and also barred from the society. Clearly, upon repeatedly when we tried to ask him to come on record to speak about this, he refused to do so because he said that the matter is still with the lawyer. They haven't decided upon the date. But upon asking whether or not this is finalized, that they will go ahead to move the Supreme Court, Naveen Tyagi was very confident. He has said that all the papers are being made on this issue. In fact, they have compiled a lot of video clips as well, which they want to show to the Supreme Court, where they will try to prove that coming on air with such a kind of clothes, it is not going to send very good message to the children, and also not send very good message to the youth who at this point of time are indulging in heinous crimes. That is what Naveen Tyagi claims. Clearly, no regret no regret or any of that sort that Naveen Tyagi had. He said that no matter what happens, no matter who opposes, they will go ahead and move the Supreme Court. In fact, they also said they are getting a lot of support even from the people of Meerut at this point of time regarding this.
Right.
They have all the documents in place. They have all video evidence in place to go and move the Supreme Court, Anand.
Aditi, do stay on. Reaction coming in from the BJP.
I cannot speak on their behalf, but as far as Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we are for the freedom of the society. Let the women of this country choose as to what they wear, what they study, and how they live their lives. And India is proud to have a culture where women in fact have led from the front, where women have made this country proud. And in fact, any organization which speaks in a way which is demeaning for the female gender is absolutely someone which has to face the fire of the day.
I'm completely shocked by such parochial, obnoxious organizations who in their quest to govern the society come with such diktats which are of 15th century or 14th century and perhaps not even true for those centuries. I think it's time. I only want to tell them, please wake up. We are in the 21st century India where girls and women participate equally. Anybody who gives such illegal, unlawful, unconstitutional, and immoral diktats, if I may be permitted to say so, should be dealt with in accordance with law. Police should register cases. It's violation of freedom of speech and liberty. And I don't think so 21st century young Indians will accept, tolerate such obnoxious and parochial conduct and diktats.